Good morning, everyone. With especially the celebrants.
This opportunity to learn about your continued support have made this very interesting for us.
Like Paul Essien said, the journey just began. You have just learned your first tool, which is Microsoft Excel. There is still much more. We want you to be back for Power BI, Python. Learn Python programming. We want you to be back to learn web development. Your LinkedIn, how to improve on your LinkedIn, okay? So that you are better visible to the world, okay? Because the whole goal of this training is that you are able to get a very good job. Does that make sense? Good. And you also know that here at Deaf-InTech Africa, we are open to employing people. We're going to employ. But beyond our organization, you must begin to prospect for jobs. Look at other organizations. Look at, go everywhere you go now and say, I am a data analyst. That, I'm not just them, I'm a data analyst, I can do it. Okay? And we wish you the very best in this career journey. If you want to show budget change over a period of time, maybe 2011 budget, 2012 budget,